Amid the global wave of the industrial internet, intelligent manufacturing has become the core driver of digital. The cumulative effect triggered by its innovation, aggregation effect, multiplier effect, the new applications of the smart industry revolution are bursting with full force. New business model and new future. Founded in 1993, SISOUL Group. It is a professional company engaged in equipment research and development, a group enterprise that integrates manufacturing, sales, and service. The company is headquartered in the industrial internet capital of the world, Qingdao. SISOUL Group. We currently have 3 major production bases: Qingdao Production Base, Liuzhou Production Base, Xi'an Production Base. Now there are 28 subsidiaries, including 14 enterprises above designated size. There are 6 high-tech enterprises, more than 1,000 employees, product sales in various provinces and cities in China and more than 50 countries and regions abroad. Stage target annual output value of 3 billion yuans. Developed into the Chinese concrete machinery industry, top enterprises in the entire industry chain. Since its establishment, we have cooperated with multiple internationally renowned enterprises such as Germany and Italy, continuously reforming on the basis of introducing advanced European technology, development and innovation. After decades of in-depth exploration and research, SISOUL Group concrete mixing equipment has been developed, dry mortar mixing equipment, concrete pumping equipment, environmental protection systems, control systems, intelligent robotic production lines, stereoscopic garage, etc. Multiple series with hundreds of products. The group currently has 2 Qingdao technology centers, established 7 professional technical research institutes, editor-in-chief or participating in the compilation of national standards, industry standards, 17 items including group standards, has 1 national invention patent, successively utility model patent, design patent, software copyright, 482 registered trademarks both domestically and internationally. In order to efficiently promote the digitalization of enterprise platforms, the process of networked intelligence, SISOUL Group has established a global strategic layout. In partnership with globally renowned enterprises such as Haier Cosmoplat, applies digital thinking to jointly explore the integrated operation of information flow, operation mode of capital flow and reverse logistics, empowering the enterprise platform to continuously reduce costs, enhance efficiency and ensure supply chain security. In the field of digital workshop construction, SISOUL Group, by purchasing IGM automatic welding robots, laser cutting and automatic feeding systems, and the MOM digital cloud platform, by building intelligent mixing equipment, R&D design laboratory, comprehensively promote construction of global intelligent industry demonstration park project, maximizing flexibility, agility, and stability in production management. SISOUL Group Independent Research and Development Comprehensive Management System for ready-mixed concrete enterprises, from product sales research, development, procurement, production, quality control, delivery service, waiting for intelligent control of the entire process at each stage. Enable enterprises to enhance their brand-building capabilities. New breakthroughs have been made in resource integration capabilities and other aspects. Building a century-old enterprise is a long and challenging journey, but perseverance leads to achievement. SISOUL Group, guided by the philosophy of professionalism, excellence, and longevity, strive to provide customers with mixing, pumping, and environmental protection. Integrated solution for intelligent interconnection. We are willing to work with you illuminate the light of wisdom created by China. We are willing to work with you building a better future of made in China together.